So here are 5 quick tips for everybody who is interested to get the DJI Pocket 3. Well, this thing is so portable in here and you can just use it for everywhere you go. So first up, whatever you do, do not drop this guy. If you drop it, a lot of things could break. The camera, the mic, the extra batteries, a lot of things that are stored in here could break. And number 2 tip, make sure that you do not lose your magneto. This magneto can go off easily. If you put it in a cloth, it can go off easily. So be careful, you might lose this magneto. And also when you're putting this in the bag, make sure you don't keep it this way. So I'm going to bring up the bag. Make sure you don't keep it this way. Either way, something can turn on the power of the microphone. It has happened to me once. Put this in the bag, wrapped it up, and there's something pressed on the power. The microphone was dead when I wanted to use it. So it's very, very important you keep it straight like this because nothing much will push it around when you keep it this way. And then another thing is the DJI Pocket 3 itself. Mind you that this thing locks. It's on now, it goes off, and this head locks. But the thing that you have to realize is that even though this thing is locked, it can easily move around. You see? So after it can easily move around. You see now, it's free now. So this head can move around. It will resist the move, but after a while, it will move around freely. So all you can do is to probably turn it on and turn it off again for it to become that strong. Or you always put it inside this casing at all times. Once you're not using this camera, put it inside this casing at all times because this camera could move and it could dirty. So if you lock it on the first try, the second try it will resist back, the third try, the fourth one or the fifth one now is now free. And this lens can really, really be dirty or touched. I really don't know why DJI didn't put anything like a wipe for the lens and even the ultra wide lens. So keep that in mind. This thing is fragile. Every time you bring it out, always put it inside this case. And to do that, this place here have to come to this side. So you put it in and then you hear a clip. Yeah. So now it's there. Always leave this in at this side. And then third thing, if you have not updated, please go and make your updates. There's updates for the DJI Mic 2. There's update for the battery. So the next time you want to do updates from the Mimo app, make sure you connect your external battery pack to do the updates. The latest firmware update will also update the battery for optimal performance. And finally, if you have not updated your DJI Pocket 3, what are you waiting for? I've received 2 firmware updates in about 2 weeks, and they have a lot of features. And one of the top one is that the DJI Mic Pocket 3 right now can actually turn off itself if you're not using it for a while. You know, it turns off itself, and the same thing also goes for the microphone. So I don't have to worry now about losing my microphone. After the latest update of the microphone, if you're not using this microphone and it's on, it will power itself down, I think after 5 minutes or thereabouts. So go check that video on how to update the DJI Mic 2. This thing is interesting, exciting camera that keeps on bringing newer and newer features. So finally, one of the new features I'm enjoying about this, now you can shoot 4K 120 FPS with D-Log and H-Log. So yeah, 10-bit D-Log, you can shoot it now. And I didn't went out to test it. I'm going to show you a sample here where I went out to shoot on the ants. You know, I didn't know what to test the 4K 120 FPS with. Just have to go out and shoot the ants, and went down to Animal Kingdom. So yeah, it's there. So this people just keep on bringing out new features and features with firmware updates. They're just adding features and features, and they are listening to their users. That's one of the most exciting thing about the DJI Pocket 3 and the Mic 2. I can't wait till they bring out the Mic 2, bring it out and sell it open, because I'm getting one of these, you know, and it's going to be real good for podcasts, interviews, and all that. Use it, and that's it. So if you watch our videos at the end of this video, you see a lot of videos we've done about DJI Pocket 3. It's interesting. If you have any question about the Pocket 3, I have the creator combo. Ask me any question. I'll be in the comment section waiting for you. Until I see you in the next one, be this peace to our world. Subscribe. I'll see you.